Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Today's video is about the supermarket. In this video, you will follow a simple and fun story about Sam and Ellie at the supermarket. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand the story more deeply. So here is today's question. What does per pound mean? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's go to the supermarket together.
Okay, here we are, the supermarket.
Yes, I love coming to the supermarket.
Me too. So, do we need a shopping cart today?
What is a shopping cart again?
A shopping cart is the big cart with wheels. You push it and you can put a lot of things inside.
Oh, right. And what about a shopping basket?
A shopping basket is smaller. You carry it with your hand. It is good when you only need a few things.
I see. So a shopping cart is big and a shopping basket is small.
Exactly. Today, we need to buy many things, so let's use a shopping cart.
Good idea. Oh, look, there's a sign over there. It says sale.
Nice. Sale means the price is lower than usual. Things are cheaper.
So sale and discount are similar.
Yes, very similar. A discount means the price goes down, and when something is on sale, it means that item has a lower price right now.
Got it. Sale, discount, and on sale. I hope many things are on sale today.
Me too. So what do we need to buy today?
Let me think. We need vegetables, fruits, some meat, milk, eggs, and maybe some snacks too.
That's a lot. Good thing we have a shopping cart. Do you have the shopping list?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Let's go inside.
Let's start.
Oh, this is the vegetable and fruit section.
Yes, there are so many vegetables here. Let's see. We need carrots, potatoes, and onions.
Carrots, potatoes, and onions. Those are very common vegetables.
Right, we use them in many dishes. Oh, look at these carrots. They say organic on the bag.
What does organic mean?
Organic means the food was grown naturally, without chemicals. Organic food is usually a little more expensive.
I see. Are these carrots fresh?
Yes, they look very fresh. Fresh means they are new and in good condition.
Great. Let's get the carrots. What about the potatoes?
The potatoes are right here, and the onions are next to them.
Oh, I also see lettuce and tomatoes over there. Should we get some?
Good idea. Lettuce is a green vegetable. We can use it for a salad.
And tomatoes are red. I love tomatoes in salad.
Me too. Let's get a bag of lettuce and a few tomatoes.
A bag of lettuce. So we say a bag of when something comes in a bag?
Yes, that's right. A bag of lettuce, a bag of carrots, a bag of onions. It's very common.
Got it. Now let's look at the fruits. I want some apples.
Okay. Oh, these apples look fresh.
They do. How much are they?
Let me check the sign. It says $2 per pound.
$2 per pound. Per pound means for each pound, right?
Yes, exactly. Per pound means the price for 1 pound. 1 pound is about 450 grams.
That's not bad. And what about those grapes? How much are the grapes?
Let me see. The grapes are $3 per pound.
$3 per pound. That's a little more expensive, but they look delicious.
They do. Let's get some grapes too.
Okay, and maybe some bananas?
Sure, bananas are always good. They are sweet and healthy. Healthy means good for your body.
I agree. Let's put everything in the shopping cart.
We got a lot from this section. Carrots, potatoes, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, apples, grapes, and bananas.
That is a lot of vegetables and fruits.
Next, let's go to the meat and fish section.
Okay, what kind of meat do we need?
We need some beef, chicken, and maybe pork.
Beef is from a cow, chicken is from a chicken, and pork is from a pig, right?
That's right. Very good. Do you know what ground beef is?
Ground beef. Is that beef that is chopped into very small pieces?
Yes, exactly. Ground beef is beef that is chopped into very small pieces. You can use it to make hamburgers or pasta sauce.
Oh, that's useful. Let's get some ground beef. How much do we need?
Let's get about 1 pound. That is enough for dinner.
1 pound of ground beef. Got it.
And we also need a pack of chicken.
A pack of chicken. A pack means one package, right?
Yes, a pack of chicken means 1 package of chicken. You can also say a pack of for other things, like a pack of sausages.
Got it. What about ham? Do we need ham?
Oh, yes, let's get a pack of ham. A slice means a thin, flat piece. For example, a slice of bread or a slice of cheese. But for ham, we usually buy a pack.
A pack of ham. Got it. Now let's look at the fish, too.
Good idea. They have salmon and shrimp today.
I love salmon. Let's get some salmon. How much is it?
It says $8 per pound. That is a little expensive, but salmon is very good for you.
That's okay. Let's get some. And shrimp. Shrimp is small and comes from the sea, right?
Yes, that's right. Shrimp is small and comes from the sea. It is very popular. Let's get some shrimp too.
Great. So from this section, we got ground beef, a pack of chicken, a pack of ham, salmon, and shrimp.
Perfect. Let's move on.
Oh, this must be the dairy section. What is dairy?
Dairy means products made from milk.
Like milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter?
Yes, exactly. Milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. They are all dairy products.
We need milk. Should we get a carton of milk or a bottle of milk?
Good question. A carton of milk is in a paper box. A bottle of milk is in a plastic or glass bottle. Let's get a carton of milk today.
Okay. Oh, this one says low fat. What does that mean?
Low fat means it has less fat than regular milk. Some people choose low-fat milk because it is healthier.
I see. Let's get the low-fat milk.
Sure, but wait, let me check the expiration date first.
The expiration date? What is that?
The expiration date is the date on the package. After that date, the food is not fresh anymore. It might not be safe to eat or drink.
Oh, that is important. So we should always check the expiration date.
Yes, always, especially for milk, yogurt, and eggs. Let me see. This carton says March 15th. It is still fresh.
Great. Let's also get some cheese and eggs.
Sure, the eggs are right here, and here is the cheese.
How many eggs should we get?
Let's get a dozen eggs. A dozen means 12.
A dozen eggs. That's 12 eggs. Got it.
And let's get some yogurt, too. I like yogurt for breakfast.
Me too. There are many flavors here. Strawberry, blueberry, and plain.
Let's get strawberry. It is my favorite.
Good choice. Oh, and we need butter. Let me grab a box of butter.
Good. I almost forgot about butter. We use it for cooking and for toast.
Right. Okay, let's put everything in the cart and keep going.
Oh, this is the snacks section.
I love this part of the supermarket.
Me too. There are so many snacks here. Chips, cookies, candy, and chocolate.
Everything looks delicious. I want to buy everything.
Well, we should not buy too much. A lot of these are junk food.
Junk food? What is junk food?
Junk food is food that is not very healthy. It usually has a lot of sugar, salt, or fat, like chips and candy.
I understand, but a little junk food is okay sometimes, right?
Of course. Let's pick a few things. Do you want something sweet or something salty?
What is the difference?
Sweet means it has a sugary taste, like cookies in chocolate. Salty means it tastes like salt, like chips.
I want both. Let's get some chocolate and some chips.
Okay. What kind of chocolate do you want? There is milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
I like milk chocolate. It is sweeter.
Good. And let's get these chips. Oh, look, the cookies are on sale too.
Really? Let's get a box of cookies then.
Good choice. Sweet and salty. That's the best combination.
I agree. Okay, let's put them in the cart. But that's enough snacks for today. We already have chocolate, chips, and cookies.
Good idea. We should also eat our vegetables.
Yes. Vegetables first, snacks second.
Okay, I think we have everything. Let's go to the checkout. Hello.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, we found everything. Thank you.
Great. Let me scan your items. Okay, your total is $56.30.
$56.30. Can I pay with a credit card?
Of course. We accept credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
What is the difference between a credit card and a debit card?
A credit card lets you pay later. A debit card takes the money from your bank right away.
I see. I will use my credit card today, please.
Sure. Please tap or insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. The payment went through. Do you need a bag?
Actually, I have a reusable bag. A reusable bag is a bag you can use many times. It is better than a plastic bag.
That's great. It's good for the environment.
Could I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. A receipt shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.
Let me check the receipt quickly. Yes, everything looks right.
That was fun. We bought a lot of things today.
Yes, we did. Today we bought vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, dairy products, and snacks.
Right. We got carrots, potatoes, onions, lettuce, and tomatoes from the vegetable section.
And we also got apples, bananas, and grapes from the fruit section. The apples were on sale, so they were cheaper than usual.
That's right. The apples were on sale. I was happy about that.
At the meat and fish section, we got ground beef, a pack of chicken, a pack of ham, salmon, and shrimp.
The salmon was $8 per pound. A little expensive, but delicious.
Then at the dairy section, we got a carton of low-fat milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, and a dozen eggs.
We also remembered to check the expiration date on the milk. That is very important.
Yes, always check the expiration date before you buy.
And of course, we got some snacks. Chocolate, chips, and cookies. The cookies were on sale too.
Sweet and salty. We should not eat too much junk food, though.
I know. So how did we carry everything today?
We used a shopping cart because we had a lot of things to buy. If we only needed a few things, we could have used a shopping basket.
Right. And at the end, we paid at the checkout.
Yes, the cashier scanned our items, and the total was $56.30. I paid with my credit card. The cashier also told us about debit cards. A debit card takes money from your bank right away.
That's good to know. And you used your reusable bag, which is good for the environment.
Yes, and we got a receipt to check everything we bought.
We learned a lot of useful words today, like shopping cart, on sale, organic, fresh, per pound, ground beef, dairy, expiration date, and junk food.
That's right. These are all words you can use at the supermarket.
It was a really good shopping day.
It was a great shopping day. Now let's go home and cook something delicious.
Yes, let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask you the question one more time. What does per pound mean? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one sentence is perfect. Small output practice like this will make your English stronger. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.